Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about, something that can feel overwhelming for business owners, freelancers, and even individuals trying to get their finances in order: accounting. Specifically, we're going to talk about what it truly means to have a great accountant on your side and why it's one of the best investments you can make for your financial future. We'll be using the perfect accountant as our example to illustrate what top-tier service looks like. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: saving time. Think about it. How many hours have you spent hunched over spreadsheets, trying to decipher receipts, and stressing about tax deadlines? Each of those hours is an hour you're not spending on growing your business, developing new skills, or simply enjoying your life. When you partner with a service like the Perfect Accountant, you're not just handing over a box of receipts, you're reclaiming your most valuable asset: your time. They handle the tedious, complex work of bookkeeping, payroll, and financial tracking, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. Imagine finishing your workday and actually being done without that nagging feeling that you still have hours of financial admin waiting for you. That peace of mind alone is priceless. Next up, let's talk about money. It might seem counterintuitive to spend money on an accountant to save money, but that's exactly what happens. A great accountant is a master of the tax code. They know every deduction, every credit, and every strategy legally available to minimize your tax liability. These are things the average person or even standard software would likely miss. We're talking about deductions for your home office, vehicle use, software subscriptions, professional development, and so much more. Over the course of a year, these savings can add up to thousands of dollars. The Perfect Accountant doesn't just process your taxes. They actively work to find you every single dollar you're entitled to keep. Their fee isn't a cost. It's an investment with a fantastic return. But the benefits go far beyond just time and tax savings. A truly perfect accountant acts as a strategic financial partner. They provide you with crystal-clear financial reports, like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow analyses. Now, you might hear those terms and your eyes glaze over, but here's why they're crucial. These reports are the health checkup for your business. They tell you exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. With this clarity, you can make smarter, data-driven decisions. Is that new marketing campaign actually bringing in profit? Is it time to hire a new employee? Can you afford to invest in that new piece of equipment? Your accountant helps you answer these questions with confidence, not guesswork. They transform confusing numbers into a clear roadmap for growth. Another huge benefit is scalability. As your business grows, your financial situation becomes exponentially more complex. You might need to manage payroll for a growing team, handle sales tax in different states, or plan for major capital expenditures. Trying to manage this on your own while also running your business is a recipe for burnout and costly mistakes. A service like the Perfect Accountant is designed to scale with you. They have the systems and expertise to handle your finances seamlessly, whether you're a solo freelancer or a company with 50 employees. This means you'll never outgrow your financial support system. They handle the growing complexity behind the scenes, ensuring your financial foundation is solid at every stage of your journey. Let's not forget about compliance and avoiding costly mistakes. The world of tax and business regulations is constantly changing. A missed deadline, an incorrectly filed form, or a misunderstanding of a new law can result in hefty fines and penalties. Just one significant mistake could cost you more than years of accounting fees. Having a professional in your corner means you can rest easy knowing that all your filings are accurate and on time. They keep up with all the changes so you don't have to. This isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about protecting your business and your reputation. Think of your accountant as your financial seatbelt. You hope you never need it for a crisis, but you're incredibly glad it's there. Now let's talk about something a little more personal: financial clarity and confidence. Financial stress is real, and it can take a huge toll on your mental well-being. Lying awake at night, worrying about cash flow or a surprise tax bill is something no one should have to experience. When you work with the perfect accountant, you gain an unparalleled level of clarity. You always know where you stand financially. You have a trusted expert you can call to ask questions, bounce ideas off of, and get sound advice from. This relationship transforms finance from a source of anxiety into a tool for empowerment. It gives you the confidence to set ambitious goals, knowing you have a clear understanding of the resources you have to achieve them. You're no longer just surviving, you're strategically planning for a prosperous future. Furthermore, a great accountant can be instrumental in helping you secure funding. Whether you're applying for a small business loan, seeking investment from venture capitalists, or even just getting a mortgage, you will need pristine financial records. Lenders and investors want to see professionally prepared, accurate financial statements. They want to see a clear history of profitability and responsible financial management. Walking into a bank with a folder of messy spreadsheets is a non-starter. But when you present them with clean, organized reports prepared by a professional firm, it sends a powerful message. It says you are serious, organized, and a good investment. The perfect accountant helps you put your best foot forward, dramatically increasing your chances of getting the capital you need to grow. So, let's recap. By bringing a service like the perfect accountant onto your team, you're not just outsourcing your bookkeeping. You are buying back your time, saving significant money on taxes, gaining a strategic partner to guide your decisions, building a scalable foundation for growth, protecting yourself from costly compliance errors, reducing your financial stress, and positioning yourself for future funding opportunities. When you look at it that way, the question isn't, can I afford an accountant? The real question is, can I afford not to have one? The value they provide touches every single aspect of your financial life and business operations. It's about moving from a reactive position, where you're constantly putting out financial fires, to a proactive one, where you're in complete control, steering your ship toward success with a clear map and an expert navigator by your side. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has shed some light on the incredible value a top-notch accountant can bring. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Drop a comment below with any questions you have or your own experiences with hiring an accountant. See you in the next one.